Thanks a lot, Hanno, and just a very, very brief outlook on the roadmap at Cofinity. And so, as I already said, we are ready. The portal is there. We are starting to onboard business partners. We are putting first apps and services first on our marketplace. And I know there's a bunch of clients who are already pretty much scratching at our door and asking us, when can we start? When can we start? When can we start? So the simple answer is we are ready. We are super fast. So what you are getting right now is different types of landing zones also, where there's a productive environment. There is also a pre-productive environment where potentially, if you want to try something in a sandbox first, we offer that to you as well. And looking forward for the next to the end of the year. So we are bringing our first apps and services. But what is more important is we are really going to be focusing on bringing partners on board. As I was saying about the flywheel, it's truly only going to work in a true ecosystem style. And I know there is a bunch of companies out there who have already tested with us during beta and who are currently moving onto the GoLive environment, doing their certifications as quickly as they can. And part of them have already achieved that, as we heard from Bernd. So that's pretty much what we are doing. And our goal is to release new versions of the software roughly every 8 weeks with new features coming to you, plus of course also staying close with the Catena release cycles. So whenever there is something happening more under the hood, which requires an update from our side, we would do that in between. But for you as the end user, no matter in what role, you can expect frequent updates roughly every 8 weeks. Yeah. And I think I will hand over to Sebastian, who is the CEO of Sovety, one of the first providers also coming to our marketplace. Over to you, Sebastian.
Hey, good evening.
It's the color.
It's the color. It's green, and I think the GoLive is green, right? So. No, thank you for letting me also talking a bit on around the GoLive. So we as Sovety, we are founded to explicitly get the flywheel kickstarted. So this word flywheel was mentioned quite often today, and this is what we also want to enable. So who are we? We were part of the beta phase. We are shaping data spaces since its origin. And how do we do that? We have identified that many different, let's say, complex software components, processes, and so on needs to be covered. And this is what we want to, where we want to lower the entry barrier for every company who is interested to participate in Catena-X. And this covers, on the one hand, the onboarding process. This covers guidance on where to start, what to do. This covers also technical components, for example, the connector, digital twin registries, so that really everything can be just used and you don't need to reinvent the wheel. So sticking to the wheel again. And this is also what we are quite happy, so that we are now can be part of the live marketplace, that you can find us there. You can reach out to us if you're interested to support topics like traceability. If you have an existing app and now you want to become Catena-X certified. So we really want to accelerate Catena-X and this as fast as possible, so that we don't have the chicken and egg problem anymore. So let's get started. And let's get, become all part of the live system, and let's exchange data in a sovereign way. So looking forward to this. Now handing over to Nadine.
Okay, perfect. Sebastian, thanks a lot for the handover. And as SAP and one of the founding members of Catena-X, we are very excited about the official go live today and happy to share with you also our first market-ready Catena-X business application. So let's have a look together on our solution offering. So starting with the foundation use case, parts traceability, we heard it currently also from Sebastian. So if you would like to kick off your Catena-X journey, traceability is one of the use cases to start with. So with our SAP Business Network Material Traceability, we offer you a network-based cloud solution that provides transparency and traceability across entire supply chains. And by capturing really the complete material origin from raw material to the finished product, it creates a trusted value chain for up and downstream product technology. And it enables you also to set up the basis product information for further use cases like sustainability, for example. And for sure, our solution is already officially Catena-X certified, available on the Catena-X on the Cofinity-X marketplace, and available for you. Our second Catena-X certified and market-ready use case is in the area of sustainability, where we also experienced during the beta phase a high interest to start and kick off the Catena-X journey. So with SAP Sustainability Data Exchange, you can achieve a carbon neutral supply chains by sharing your product carbon footprints with standardized Catena-X data models and workflows and exchange information seamlessly, following here also for sure the Catena-X requirements. And furthermore, there will be certified also our quality management solution, which enables you to identify and solve quality problems faster. And of the core of the solution is to discover product defects earlier, find collaborative root causes along the value chain, and identify then also for sure affected vehicles, components, and charges. And we also have a special offer for the EDC, which will be a new capability of our SAP integration suite, the so-called data space integration, which enables you also a convenient, secure, and self-sovereign data exchange in the data spaces. And there will be a lot of more solutions coming up from us also, like, for example, the marketplace, SAP and Core for circular economy, or also our collaborative demand and capacity management solution. And we say at SAP, the fastest way is to move forward together. So for those who are also want to join or is interested in the mentioned solutions, get in touch and with me, and happy to show you more details or a live demo. And of course, all of our solutions meet the Catena-X interoperability requirements, which means that they are also interoperable with other solution providers, such as Siemens, for example. So I would like to hand over to the next speaker, Wolfgang.
Thank you, Nadine. Hello, everybody. We have made it. I want to say this is really an exciting and special day for me. Siemens has been part of the Catena-X project from the beginning. We are convinced that the network can provide a boost for more efficiency and resilience and sustainability for the entire automotive industry. In the Catena-X project, we at Siemens are currently working in 8 use cases. And for 2 use cases, we will have applications very, very soon. The first application is SeaGreen. SeaGreen is our CO2 management tool. This tool allows you to manage emissions along the entire supply chain. And we use Catena-X for the data exchange in the automotive industry. And for us and for you all, Catena-X is the way to be able to offer such an application for an entire industry. And this is possible because Catena-X ensures the interoperability with other providers of the same use case, like you have heard from Nadine from SAP before. SeaGreen will be available very soon in the Cofinity App Store. Yeah, we have already tested it during the beta phase in the last months. So definitely something you can directly contact us at Siemens Carbon Footprint with SeaGreen, and you can immediately start working with it, testing that on Catena-X. Further offerings from Siemens are, for example, trusted traceability, which will come very soon. And we will also offer enablement services for the Catena-X environment. Those things are nearly to be finalized and will follow very soon. I personally believe that today is really a starting point of a new era of data economy. I wish us all best of luck. Thank you all. And yeah, let's move forward.